In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a custom favicon to your Lovable website, so your logo appears in the Browser tab instead of the default Lovable icon. A favicon is the small icon you see in Browser tabs next to your site title. By default, Lovable adds its own logo as the favicon, but you can change that when you publish your site. Step 1. Prepare your favicon. Before you start, make sure you have your favicon ready. Ideal formats are .ico or .png, and sizes like 32 by 32 or 16 by 16 pixels. You can use free generators online if you need one. Step 2. Open your Lovable project. Log into Lovable and open the project you want to edit. Step 3. Click Publish. In the top right, click the Publish button. This opens the Publish settings where you control how your app appears when it's live. Step 4. Update icon and title. In the Publish modal, look for the Icon and Title section. Click the current favicon and upload your favicon file. You can also update the site title here if you want it to match your brand. Step 5. Save and publish. Once uploaded, click Publish again to deploy your changes. Your new favicon should now appear in Browser tabs and in search previews. Warning tip: sometimes a browser cache can keep showing the old icon for a little while. If you don't see the update immediately, try opening your site in an incognito window or clearing your cache. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom favicon to your Lovable website. If this helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.